Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of the new and upcoming Simplicity pattern collection. This collection is not live on the website just yet, so this is going to be a true sneak peek of the new collection. So let's go ahead and get started. The box just arrived at my house today. Let's get into it. Okay, the first pattern in the new upcoming collection is Simplicity 3000. This one here is a misses and women's dress in 3 length variations. It does have B, C, and D cup sizes for misses and C, D, and double D cup sizes for women. This is a really nice dress. I see this as being something that's very classic, maybe a staple in your wardrobe or closet that you can always reach for and know that it's going to do what it needs to do. So if this is your style, definitely write down Simplicity 3000. For fabric recommendations, you can make this in a challis, a crepe, a lightweight denim, a linen, and it's available in sizes 10 through 28W. What I do like about this dress, and a detail that you probably won't see just by looking at the cover, on the back of it, it's like the sleeves is all connected to like an overlay back piece, kind of giving a cape vibe in the back of the dress. A very nice detail. So definitely make sure that you look at the back before you decide if this is a no-go for you, because it could definitely be a winner. Again, the pattern number is Simplicity 3000. Okay, next pattern here that I'm going to share is Simplicity 3005. This one here is a misses and women's skirt pattern. For fabric recommendations, you can make this out of cotton types such as denim, poplin, sateen, and silky types. And you can also use a crepe, a rayon, and a satin for this skirt as well. For sizing, it's available in sizes 10 through 38W. So again, this is a really cute skirt. If you're in the market to add some more skirts to your wardrobe, definitely check out Simplicity 3005. It has some really great details, some pleating, pockets, belt loops, and a tie. So again, write down Simplicity 3005 if this is your vibe. I just rhymed. Next pattern here is Simplicity 3006, and these are Mrs. Pants. The model is giving spectacular. I love this chocolate brown whole little monochromatic look here. Very nice here with the model styling. Again, 3006 is this Mrs. Pants. You can make this out of cotton blends, flannel, a lightweight twill, linen blends, as well as stretch wovens. For sizing, this is available in sizes 8 through 26. Again, very nice pair of pants. I love the styling that they have here with the models. So definitely check out this Mrs. pair of pants here. Again, the number is Simplicity 3006. Next up here in the collection is Simplicity 3010. This one here is by Mimi G. This is a Mrs. knit cardigan tank top and skirt pattern. For fabric recommendations, you can make this with stretch knit fabric, so interlock, jersey, rib knit. You can also use a ponte and sweater knits as well. It's available in sizes 8 through 26. This is a great set pattern. I can definitely see myself wearing this in the house, outside the house, running errands. It's just one of those sets. Even if you just make them as separates, they are still fantastic pieces, and just like I said, great for the closet, great little staples that you can always pull on and just go about your day. So if you're interested in this pattern, definitely write down Simplicity 3010. Next in the upcoming collection is Simplicity 3012. This one here is a unisex hoodies pattern. I really do like the cutout details and all the seam lines that they have on this hoodie. Very cute. This one here can be made in double knits, ponte, sweatshirt fleece, and terry knit. And for sizing, it's available in extra small through extra, extra large. I can definitely see myself making view A for fall and winter. So again, this is a nice unisex hoodie pattern. The number again is Simplicity 3012. This collection has a lot of kids pattern as well as craft patterns as well. So I'm going to share some of the kids patterns next. This one here is Bacall's 3015. This is a girl's top dress and pants pattern. It's available in sizes 7 through 14. Also in this collection is an easy to sew pattern. This one here is Simplicity 3013. This is a toddler's hooded t-shirt and jeans pattern. Look at those little jeans. They're so cute. So again, this is a toddler's pattern, and the number is Simplicity 3013. Also in this collection are some vintage patterns. This one here is an authentic pattern reproduction, 1950s vintage simplicity pattern. This is a Mrs. skirt pattern. For fabric recommendations, you can make it out of a cotton or rayon, taffeta, or wool. And for sizing, it's available in sizes 8 through 26. So if vintage is your vibe, if you like 1950s, go ahead and write down Simplicity 3016. Another vintage pattern in this upcoming collection is vintage 1970s style. This is Simplicity 3018. This is Mrs. Pants, skirt, and jacket pattern. This pattern here can be made out of a chambray, a challis, a chino, cotton knit, double knit, as well as lightweight wools, linens, poplin. It's a lot. You have a lot of options for fabrics with this pattern, and for sizing, it's available in size 6 through 24. So again, if you love vintage patterns and this is your style, again, it has pants, skirts, and a jacket on this pattern. Go ahead and write down Simplicity 3018. Next up in the new Simplicity collection are patterns from Sewn Adaptive. The first one is Simplicity 3019, and this one here is a unisex adaptive shacket. You can see here that it is a non-constricting fit for mobility and comfort. You can make this out of denim, a flannel, a lightweight linen types, poplin, and sateen. And it's available for extra small through extra large in this pattern here. And for Simplicity 3020, these here are unisex adaptive jeans. On the front here, it lists out other options for this pattern. So you have an optional accessible zipper option, or you can do the no front zipper option for comfort. This pattern here, you can make it out of cotton duck, denim, medium weight cotton types, medium weight linen types, as well as twill. And for sizing, it's available in size 34 through 52. So again, these new patterns from Sewn Adaptive are gonna be in the upcoming Simplicity collection. All right, friends, that is all that I'm gonna be sharing in this video. Again, this is just a sneak peek video to show you a few styles that are gonna be coming up next in the Simplicity collection. Please know that there are more styles here in this box, but I don't wanna give it all away in this video. I want you all to go over to Simplicity when the collection is live so that you all can see the full collection, have your ooh and ah moment, and go ahead and add patterns to carts, okay? That is the goal here. Well, again, that is all for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you know when the next video is live. And I will see you all then. Blessings, everyone. Bye.